that are not offended is lying drunk on the ground. Money's gone, same old song. Get up, Jack Jones, sit down.
Not all types of soy are healthy for you, but I do use Bragg, which is a liquid soy seasoning.
Well, I might be the time to speak my mind, but some things are just hard to say. I can't find the words, and it hurts every day. Like all I know, I would let go if it'll let me say.
Regular aluminum is hydrophilic, which means it's a water-liking surface. And this means that water, when it gets onto aluminum, will tend to spread out in order to maximize its contact with the surface. Now, when we add our coating system to it, it changes that to a hydrophobic surface, where the contact energy is altered so it's much lower, and this creates a much weaker interaction between the aluminum and the water. Now, this has an effect where it causes the water to form more of a drop-like shape in order to minimize its contact with the surface. Now, superhydrophobicity arises when we add surface roughness to that coating system. Because of the roughness in the aluminum, it causes it to have much more surface area. So in order for the water to spread out on the surface, it has to contact a lot of aluminum for every little bit that it spreads. So this makes the water drop shrink up even more, reduces its contact by trapping air pockets underneath the drop, and weakens the interaction quite heavily to the point where it will just roll off the surface very easily. So if we put a water drop down on these first three ones, you can see that the water spreads out quite a bit and contacts a lot of the area. And in addition, if I put these on an angle, it's hard to get them to come off. And you can see this effect is even worse on the roughened surface. And this is because this roughened surface is still hydrophilic. So in order for the drop to spread out, when it spreads out a little, it can contact a lot of that aluminum surface that it likes to touch. But if we put that drop onto our coated surface, you can see that these drops roll off with almost no inclination,